Hello everyone. Today we will understand the difference between place value and face value according to Indian place value system. So first of all, whatever number has been given to us, we will convert it into standard form. Let us recall the different periods in Indian place value system. So the first period is of ones. Then we have period of thousands, lakhs, and then crores. In ones period, there are three places: ones, tens, and hundreds. After this, there is a period change and we want to move on to thousands. In thousands, there are two places: thousands and 10,000s. Then again a period change and a period of lakhs. We have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Again a period change, that is crores and 10 crores. Now, using this period and period change, we will convert the number given on the screen to standard form. So ones have three periods, three places. So after the three places, we put a comma. Then we have thousands. We leave two digits, put a comma. Then is lakhs. Lakhs also have two places. We put a comma after leaving two places, and then we have crores. Now, what is a place value? Now, place value is the value of a particular digit depending upon its position in the period of that place value system. Now, what does it exactly mean? That if suppose I need to know that what is the place value of say 3 in this particular number, what do we do is we look at its place in the period in where it belongs in the place value system. So 3 belongs in the period of thousands. And where does it belong? It belongs at the place of 10,000. So what will be the place value? It will be 3 with 10,000, which means that I multiply it to 10,000 and its place value becomes 30,000. Let us take another example. Suppose I want to know what is the place value of the digit 6 in it. Now, 6 belongs to the period of lakhs. At which place? 10 lakhs. So what do we do? To know its place value, we take the number 6 and multiply it to what number? 10 lakh. So the answer becomes 60 lakh. Very simple. Now, if we want to know what is the difference between place value and face value, let us move forward to know that. Now, face value is simply the digit itself. First of all, let us convert into standard form according to Indian place value system. If I want to know what is the face value of this number 5, the digit 5, it will be 5 only. Face value will be 5 only. If I take number 2, here the face value will be 2. But again, if I want to check what is the place value instead of face value, here the number 5 is in the period of crores. Hence, we will multiply it with what number? 1 crore to get the answer. So, the answer is 5 crores. Now, the place value of number 2 is in the period of ones with at the place of 100. So, we multiply by 100 and we get 200. So, basically, place value depends upon the place value of a digit depends upon its place in the period, and face value is basically the digit itself. Now, take more examples and understand this concept. I hope it is clear through these examples. Thank you.